Welcome to this tutorial about how to publish an app to the iOS Apple developer account. What we need to do first is, in order to publish an app to Apple, you must have an Apple computer. That can be an iMac or a MacBook. It doesn't matter what it is, but you will need an Apple computer. The second thing that you need to install is xcode version 12.5. So now that you have your Apple computer and you have your xcode 12.5, we're now ready to begin the tutorial to show you how to create an app and publish it to the iOS stores. For anyone watching that doesn't know who we are firedup.online, and we are an easy to use drag and drop app builder, and we have over 60 modules that are available in our platform that you can use using one click. So in your builder, you will go to the publication page, and what you will check first is just check that the app name is correct. You will now see where it says iPhone version no apps. If you choose the wrong version, your app will be rejected by Apple. We select the one that says generate source codes iOS no ads. Okay, and that will now generate the source code. Wait for about 3 minutes and then reload the page, and download latest button will appear. Simply click it and download. So after you download the source code, it comes in a zip folder. So what you want to do now is extract that zip folder and then open the folder, and you want to go to where it says workspace. Do not click anything else, just workspace, and double click. This then appears, and trust and open, and your xcode has now opened. You will see that this is a blank screen. So what to do? So next what you do is where it says iPod Touch 7th generation, you click this, scroll it down, and any iOS device is what you select. And next what you do is go over here and click on Apps Mobile Company, and this screen arrives. So next, just make sure that the name of your app is fine here. Next we can see that the iPhone and iPad is ticked, so that's absolutely fine. So as you can see, everything is more or less done for you and it's all completed correct. So the next stage is now go up here where it says signing and capabilities and click this. Now in this section to proceed, you must already have an Apple developer account already open for yourself or for your client. If you do not have it opened, I would recommend you stop here and go and open one. So the first thing you want to do is where it says automatically sign in. You want to click this and enable automatic. Next it says team, and this is where you will sign in to the Apple developer account. So when you click team, it says none, but then it says add account. And once you've added the account, you can then add account, and then the accounts that you've added appear here. So in this example, I've added mine. As you can see, the signing certificate has already been verified as well. So the next thing to look at here is the audio. If your app does not have any audio, radio, music, it's very important that you turn this off. If you leave that on, your app will be rejected. Remote notifications we leave on because that's so that push notifications can be sent. If you disable this, you'll turn that off. So very important that you leave that on. So the next thing you can do is head back here to where it says General. And then at the top here where it says iOS, any device, then what you can do is just choose any mobile phone that you have, and let's just check that the app is actually working. And then over here where the play button is, just press play. Just wait for that to load. And then the simulator will appear. So then as you can see it's loaded, and it's also saying that the push notifications are working fine. So that confirms that the app is actually fine and working. So now that that's working, you go back up to here, and we're going back to any iOS device. And what you want to do is go to the square folder over here and click this. And we've got that back. The next thing to do is at the top in your menu is you click Product and Archive. So what's actually happening now is the computer is going to archive all the code into one single file. So as you can see, that's all been done. Now you might look at this and think, oh goodness, what's this? Ignore this. This is all okay. So now what you have to do is you're now in your developer account, and what you're going to do is click on the plus button and select New App. And then what you will do is select the iOS. Next, where it says Name, that's where you will type the name of the app. Next, select the app language. In this case, we will select English. And next, to get the ID package, this is what it is here. It's your bundle identifier. Okay? And the more apps you publish, the more will appear in the drop-down menu. So what to do is just, get the last three digits, 846A, but this is the ID package here. And where it says SKU, you want to put in there your app name again. And then at the bottom, you select Total Access. Then select the blue button that says Save or Apply. And then it will automatically load this page for you. Next, what you want to do is go back to your xcode and click Distribute App. So next you will choose the App Store Connect, and then you'll select Upload. Then select Next, and then Upload. And that's how you publish an app to the App Store. You will also need to generate a PEM certificate as well as a CSR file. And we will show you how to do that in 2 other separate videos. But once you have your PEM certificate, then you go to your control panel that you are able to access. And from here you can go to your applications and upload a PEM certificate directly. Very important that you upload your PEM certificate, and that will then allow for push notifications to work on iOS devices.